Happy birthday to me. Today is my birthday. Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Tracy with Treseysworld World, and today is my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm another year older, hopefully another year wiser. But I'm very excited. I'm very grateful to be alive today. Like, I don't know. I just feel so grateful, so happy to be alive. That's the big part. And to just be in good health and to be progressing towards the right direction. Like, what more can you ask for, you know? So yeah, so that's where I am. That's what I'm thinking. I'm actually going to do a little pampering, you know, get my nails done, have some dinner or lunch. Well, it's almost dinner time, but I'm gonna get my nails done and just, you know, just have a day for me, which I feel is, yeah, overdue. It's overdue. But I'm very excited. And I just wanted to share a few things with you guys today. This will not be a long video because it's my birthday and I got stuff to do. But first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and thank my parents. My parents knew I love me some, you know, good, smell good. And I told my mom, you know, we kind of, she knows what I like, you know what I'm saying? So I want to shout out to my parents for getting me that Versace. I'm thankful for the Versace. It smells so good, y'all. I'm going to open it up so y'all see. This is the Bright Crystal, which is a really good fragrance. Really good fragrance. And taking it out the box. I'm in front of my window, so hopefully it's not too dark. You guys can see, but I got that Versace. I'm gonna put something on because, you know, it's my birthday. Put a little bit on. Spray it here. I'm gonna hit it here. Oh God. Yes, I'm about to be walking past people. They be like, you smell good. Okay, so yeah, got that little Versace going. Put it back in this box. Yeah, let it smell good. The other thing that I wanted may seem a little strange to you. May seem a bit strange, but that's okay. I wanted some knives, y'all. I wanted some knives because I bought my mom this really beautiful knife set before. And a lot of times, my mom is my queen, so I'm gonna buy it for her first and then I'll get it when I get it. So I got it for her first, and now, you know, I'm gonna unbox this knife set. So y'all, it came in this big old box. I don't know why this box is so huge, but okay, let's get it. Oh Lord. And I also wanted a salad mixer. I've been making so many salads, and you know, I don't like doing it the old school way. I want to do it the easy way. You know, we want to work smarter, not harder. So this is just a little Amazon. And then while I'm opening this, my manager must know me well. My manager must know me well because I got an Amazon card today. I was like, man, this is great. I didn't want much. Like, I have everything that I really need. So I didn't really want too much, but I'm grateful because people don't have to think about you. They don't have to think about you. They do not. Yeah, I'm opening this big old box. So bear with me. Okay, scissors I need you. Okay. All right, y'all. So we gonna see what's. I know it's a knife set, but I don't know if it's the exact one my mom has or not. Ooh, that's hard to open, like what? Okay. Amazon making sure ain't nobody getting up in this packet. All right, y'all. Uh-oh, did it go dark on me? Can y'all see me? Hopefully it's not too dark. Let me get back in the light. All right, sorry about that. All right, so I'm opening up. Gotta move all this stuff. I don't know who gets these kind of gifts for their birthday, but I did. All right, y'all. So, got me a salad spinner. So when I'm making these salads online, I can go ahead and put it in there and flip it around, spin it around, you know? Give it a 1, 2, 1, 2, y'all know? Work smarter, not harder. So thank you for the salad spinner. And I got my nurse. Okay. I got this. I am so excited. A 17-piece block set, superior stainless steel blade for precision cutting. Knife set. And you see, it's non-stick coating. It is acrylic. It's slightly different than the one I got from my mom, but it's similar. Yeah, it's acrylic. So let's open it up. This is what I wanted, y'all. Like, I know. Y'all like, the girl wanted a knife set. Yes, I wanted a knife set. I ain't trying to cut nobody. I just wanted one. It looks so pretty. All right, so let me open this up. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna pull it up. Oh. Okay, so these are the knives. I'm not gonna open this one right now. I'm gonna show you the acrylic base that it sits in. If I ever get it out. Lord have mercy, this thing is wrapped to it's wrapped. Nice. Don't play with me. Don't come up in here with no foolishness. Don't come up in here with no foolishness. I'm telling you. Okay, so it comes with, all right. Y'all see it? All right, so it's acrylic. The knives sit in here. This is plastic on it. Let me get the plastic off. More. Yay! I wanted this though. Like, it's slightly different than my mom's. I didn't want to get the exact same one as her, but look at this, y'all. It is so nice. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Okay, then you put the knives in here. And then it has the sharpener that it comes with, so you can keep it nice and sharp. Y'all better keep y'all knives sharp, cause yes, I don't even know. How do they, let me see where they put it at. So, right off the board, no, my only thing is I would want the sharpener to be like on the, you know, on here, but it's not, but it's okay. But yeah. All right. Got a few scratches on this acrylic, I must say, Amazon. But not too bad. Like, I'm not freaking out about it. All right, so we're gonna put the knives in on. This right here is my swag. I love this knife set. It's so cool. All right, y'all. So I got my knives right here. This is acrylic. It's an acrylic base. That is so cool. Sharpener up, but it comes with a sharpener. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right here. And then it also has this. So keep them sharp. Don't play with me. Now this is one side. I'm gonna flip it around so you can see the rest. There it is, guys. I got my knife set. It is so pretty. I'll be cutting stuff up with it. Cutting stuff up with it. It's so nice. All right, y'all. I got my knife set. I'm gonna figure out where to put it on the counter. But in the meantime, you guys go out and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, go out, do it, and be great today.